Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the nail care industry, the Orly Fungus MD Cuticle Care. If you're looking for the best in fungal nail treatment, you've come to the right place. Now, what sets the Orly Fungus MD apart? Let's start with its formulation. This isn't your average cuticle oil, it's a professional salon formula designed specifically to combat fungal infections while nourishing your nails and cuticles. Applying the Orly Fungus MD is simple and effective. With its gel-like consistency, a little goes a long way. Just a dab on each cuticle and massage gently to promote absorption. It's non-greasy and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for daily use. Take a look at the packaging, beautifully repackaged as part of Orly's spa collection. It's sleek, easy to store, and ideal for both at-home use and professional salons. The 0.6 fluid ounces might seem small, but trust me, this little bottle packs a powerful punch. One of the standout features is its antifungal properties. Whether you're dealing with stubborn nail infections or simply want to maintain healthy cuticles, the Orly Fungus MD does it all. It's formulated to not only treat but also prevent fungal growth, giving you peace of mind and healthier nails. Now, you might be wondering how it stacks up against other cuticle treatments. Unlike basic oils, the Orly Fungus MD is specifically targeted for fungal issues, which sets it apart from your average cuticle care products. Its professional-grade quality ensures that you're getting the best care for your nails. Concerned about the price? At around $12.72 per bottle, it's competitively priced considering its effectiveness and specialized formulation. Plus, it's available on Amazon with options for Prime shipping, making it accessible no matter where you are. In conclusion, if you're serious about nail care and looking for a solution to fungal infections or simply want to maintain healthy cuticles, the Orly Fungus MD Cuticle Care is a must-try. Its professional salon formula, combined with its effectiveness and ease of use, makes it a standout in the market. That wraps up our review of the Orly Fungus MD Cuticle Care. If you've tried this product or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Until next time, take care.